It seems that the future will look promising as the Samsung is expected to introduce significant upgrades with the Galaxy S25 Ultra's cameras. According to reliable tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will retain its quad-camera setup, but will upgrade two of the cameras with larger and higher-resolution sensors. The tipster revealed on Chinese microblogging site Weibo that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultrawide camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel super-telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. If this information is accurate, Samsung will be enhancing all the rear cameras on the Galaxy S25 Ultra with newer, higher-resolution sensors. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultrawide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel super-telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. Details about the cameras on the standard Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus remain unclear. The Galaxy S25 series is expected to be announced early next year. In addition to improved cameras, the Galaxy S25 series is anticipated to bring noticeable design changes, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, and One UI 7 software based on Android 15. Some devices in the series might also feature a new Exynos processor, possibly the Exynos 2500, using newer CPU cores from ARM and Samsung Foundry's second-generation 3nm process. This new chipset is rumored to be designed from the ground up for high performance and efficiency, with features tailored specifically for Galaxy devices. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.